Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is 29-year-old needs his mom to fight the cops. Ooh, man. Let's go. Let's get into it, man.
What's going on?
We have an employee, doesn't want to leave, been asked to leave many times.
This dude just ran into my forklift and ran to his car.
Hey.
And they act like they ain't seen none of that.
Well, come and talk to us about it. What's going on? Hey.
They're trying to set me up.
What do you want done? What do you guys want done?
I want him off the property.
Okay,
It's private property.
Your manager?
I am the brake manager, yes.
Okay.
Hey, what happened?
He's being weird.
Hey.
They act like they ain't just seen.
Hold on. Why is this video so blurry? Is it because it's at night? Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, okay, I got it on 1080p now. Like, God damn. I thought I had to call the internet company or something, man. God damn. Thing looking blurry.
None of that.
What?
Dude just ran into my forklift and ran to the car.
What, your car? Dude, I'm talking to you.
Trying to set me up.
You're being weird. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on.
Talking about what?
Where you going? Hey, it's time to go. Hey, it's time to go. Where are you going?
Where you going?
I'm going right here. Look, it's time for you to go. If you do not leave right now, you're going to be trespassing. You'll be arrested. So let's go.
I'll be trespassing and arrested.
Because they want you off the property, and we're asking you to leave.
Hey, don't touch me.
Well, you need to walk away. You need to walk that way and leave. Get in your car and go. I'm going to tell you how this is going to go tonight. You're not going to tell me how to go. They want you to leave, and you're going to leave when I ask you to leave. And it's not going to happen any different way than that.
Where am I going?
You're leaving the property. They want you off the property.
Off the property?
That's what I said. Do you understand that?
Why are you walking up on me?
Because we're going to leave. You're not going to walk towards those guys anymore. You're leaving.
Leaving go where?
Home. You're just going to get off this property. You can go across the street. You can go down the street. You can go anywhere you want. Just go.
Hey, why is he walking?
I know. You're on camera. It doesn't matter. I'm asking you to leave. If you don't leave, you're trespassing. Go. You can play this game all night. I don't care.
What game am I playing? Y'all is...
Because I asked you to leave the property and you're leaving.
Where am I? I'm walking.
You're
You're
leaving.
going out to the parking lot and you're getting off the property. That's what you're going to do.
Why is y'all touching me?
Go.
Quit touching me, man.
Go. Well, then leave.
Quit touching me.
Are you going to go to jail tonight?
Why am I going to jail?
Go.
I'm walking, ain't
Go.
What is you?
Yeah, come on, man. Y'all asking too much. Too much. We doing too much talking, man. It's time to get them together, man. He don't want to act right. Time to get him to act right. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, look, we doing too much. Doing too much. Doing too much. Doing too much, man. You ain't doing enough walking, and it look like you walking in the wrong direction.
What is your problem?
Go.
You're asked to leave. You're going to leave.
I'm leaving. I'm walking.
Then you're walking out to the
Hey, quit touching me.
Next time I touch you, you're going to jail.
No, quit
Go.
touching me, man. Hey, come on.
Go.
You're going.
Hey, let go of me.
Go.
Then go.
Go. Hey, I ain't
Go.
touching y'all.
You're going that way.
My car is this way.
Your car's that way.
No, my
Go.
car is this way. Get the fuck off me.
You're not going back that way.
My car is this way.
You're not going.
Hey, what the Hey! Bro,
Put your hands behind your back. You're arrested for trespassing.
Wait, my car is that way.
Get your hands behind your back. Yeah.
My car is not that way.
You're not playing this game.
What game? What the fuck?
You're resisting arrest right now.
How am I resisting?
You're going to go to jail. Start us another car.
What the
Now, the only thing I would say is, if his car do end up being that way, woo-wee, I don't know. Because if his car end up being the way that he was walking, then he got a valid point. Now, if his car is not that way and he lying and stuff, then yeah, it's just about to go down. But
Man, let's go with me. Hey, quit touching me, dude.
Stop.
What's your problem?
Stop.
I'm not
Get out on the ground.
Put your hands behind your back.
What the fuck?
We got him. You're going to start resisting. Right? You've already got that charge.
How am I resisting? My car is not that way.
You can't listen. That's the problem.
Dude, my car is not that way.
You're not going to your car.
Where the fuck am I going?
Jail.
For what?
Trespassing.
How the fuck am I trespassing?
Because we've asked you numerous times.
nah. Come on, man. Come on, man. You asked him to leave. He's going to his car. If he can't go to his car, then how he gonna leave? You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. He was walking slow to get off the thing. You know what? Fuck it, man. I'm gonna let it rock out, man. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna kick back with y'all, man. I ain't saying nothing else, man. I'll catch y'all, man.
We're not gonna play this.
My car is not that way. Oh, it's weird as f***.
I know.
My car ain't even that way. What the f*** is y'all talking about?
So this is a trespassing, resisting.
Yep.
Resist?
Yeah.
What?
You just don't get it, do you?
Dude, my car is not that way.
Life is gonna be tough when you don't get it.
Why the f*** would I walk where my car is not? Where the f***?
Stop!
Hey! Don't walk!
Stop!
Dad!
The suspect is screaming "Dad" because he called his family to come there when he was on the phone earlier. His family is about to arrive there and make everything much worse.
Stop!
Hey!
Come back here.
Hell no!
Get down on the ground.
Dad! What the fuck? I'm not doing nothing, dude. Dad! What the
Are we gonna carry you in the car?
Your car's right there.
Yes, you're not going in that one.
Where the fuck am I going?
In the other car.
Where?
Don't worry about it.
What is going on?
All you have to do is walk away. You can't do that, can you? We got
There.
double lock these two. Let's double lock these for you.
Double lock?
I got it.
What the fuck? Hell?
There's a time and place you gotta do what you're told.
Dude, I'm doing what
know,
I'm told. I can't feel my fucking hand.
1, 2, 3.
What the fuck, dude? I'm going to jail?
Yep.
Ah, dude, I can't feel my hands.
It's fine.
Oh, what the fuck? Dude, you got the shit so tight.
Is that his stuff?
That's his stuff.
Okay.
This is either yours or your partner's.
Yeah, it's my partner's.
Dude, these cuffs are so fucking tight. I cannot feel my hands.
We're gonna check them again.
What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
What's wrong with you?
I'm not doing nothing. My car, y'all trying to take me to a place I ain't even going.
Well, you need to get off the property.
What the fuck?
Too bad. Let me get a statement from you. All we want to do is let's leave.
Yeah.
I don't want to fight a 28-year-old kid.
You and I are rolling in the same boat there, bud.
I'm 51 years old, man. I'm tired of this.
Right
Just
there
put
with
your name. Tell us what happened that you decided. You told him to leave. You called us to have him
Escorted
from the property, and then we've got the rest.
Is she all right, by the way?
Yeah, let's see.
I mean, I saw her go down.
Did she go down?
Yeah.
He's a handful.
Yeah.
You all right?
All right. I saw you go down.
Yeah, I gotta check my knees, but I'll be okay.
Say again?
I said, yeah, I'll be okay.
Okay.
I think it's just his sweatshirt needs to be.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest problem. Hold on, dude. Hold on. Chill out a second. I'm gonna pull your sweatshirt up out of there because it's gonna help. There. How's that? All right, there you go. Thank you. All right, spin around here, bro, so I can get your seatbelt on for you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right.
The co-workers who were involved write their witness statements inside their building.
Who's he yelling for Dad?
He called somebody. He said, my people are on the way whenever.
Yeah.
And then,
You can't tell them come through the turnstile. Come through the turnstile.
and I told him, I was like, they're not allowed on the property through the turnstile or anything like that. There's a reason we have the gates there.
I know. There's a reason we gave him 55 chances to walk out of here.
Yeah.
We'd have been all right if he'd have walked out in the parking lot and stood and wait for his people. We'd have stood with him.
Right. I offered to walk him out.
The problem is when he walks back towards you, that's either a passive aggressive or he's going to be aggressive.
Yeah.
And that's not going to happen. That's why when he did that, when he walked right by you again, he was being passive aggressive, trying to intimidate you, and we ain't going to do that. That's why we started pushing him out.
I appreciate it.
You didn't go down, did you?
No, but my fingers were tore up because I had him so tight.
Right.
Then he pulled away. I do my best not to go down on the asphalt. If it was in the grass, I'll go down with him. At 51,
It's rough getting back up.
Well,
Trust me, I'm right there.
you got 4 or 5 days of just trying to get back into circulation.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, thank you.
We appreciate it.
Yep, thanks.
Have a good one. If you need anything, call us.
Can I help you?
You work here?
I'm here. If I can help you,
for
good.
my son. I need to get in there.
Okay, who's your son?
Laquan.
Laquan. Okay, he's been arrested.
Okay, where's he at?
He's going down to the county jail.
I mean, where's he at right now? Is he in your car?
No.
He's already gone?
Yeah.
He's on his way to Montgomery County Jail.
Did you get his keys or anything? Or
He's got everything.
he does?
It's in his property bag.
Okay, what you arresting for?
Trespassing and resisting arrest.
So you guys beat him?
No. He resisted arrest.
Okay, when you guys say he resisted arrest.
He resisted arrest because he would not leave. He would not leave.
Did you do any force with him?
No, we didn't do any force
okay,
with
that's
him.
why I'm just making sure. We ain't got to get ignorant. It's just known. I'm not being rude.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
It's
you're
just a known
absolutely being
fact.
rude.
No, she started with being rude. See how I let it rock for a minute. I ain't say nothing. You hear me? But nope, she started. Because she said, when you resisted arrest, that smart ass. Come on, that you ain't gotta do all of that. You know what I'm saying? So I think she did start, when she came with that energy, the cop is gonna come with that energy as well. You know what I mean? You can't be a smart ass and then expect the cop to be respectful. Like, come on. Here we go.
Say he resisted arrest.
He resisted arrest because he would not leave. He would not leave.
Did you do any force with him?
No, we didn't do any force
okay,
with him.
that's why I'm just making sure. We ain't got to get ignorant. It's just known. I'm not being rude.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
It's
you're
just a known
absolutely being
fact.
rude.
No, I'm not.
Absolutely being
I'm
rude.
not.
Absolutely being
No, I'm
rude.
not. And there's
Assuming that we're
so
going to beat
I need to call
him.
Montgomery County, right?
Montgomery County Jail.
Okay, because I can let them know what's going on.
Yes, you can let them know everything. It's all on body cam, all of it.
I don't care about your
I know you don't.
I don't.
I know you don't.
Right, I don't. This can be on body cam too. All I'm doing
It is.
We're just talking. What are you getting offensive for?
What are you talking about?
I said, why are you getting defensive? Because I asked.
Why would you say we beat him automatically?
Because it's just a known fact in the world.
No,
right
it's not
now.
a known fact.
It is.
No, it's because
There's a lot
your
going on.
fact is, but it's not a known fact.
It's all over media.
I know. That's hence the problem.
I didn't say you did it, but I'm just saying.
What you said is, did you beat him?
Yeah.
He would not leave.
I understand that.
We did not want to have to push him out of here.
What we're trying to understand is he wouldn't tell us anything what was going on.
Right, but I was trying to give you some feedback, and he's like, whatever.
Yeah.
That's
so
rude.
we've asked him to leave.
But what's rude is when you come up and say, did you beat him?
No, it's rude. You're getting loud.
Because I take it personal. I've never beat anybody.
Okay, well,
but you assume that it's going to happen.
I'm sorry. My son is black.
It doesn't matter to me.
It does, and you got
No, it doesn't.
Go in history. I'm not saying you.
But you said that to me.
Personally, I did.
You said that to her.
I didn't say that to her, actually. I said, did you beat
Oh, okay.
But
I know.
I mean, people in blue in general.
I understand
you know
what
what
you're
I'm saying?
but you got to understand that we take offense to that because we're not those people.
Okay, and
We are not, and we take offense to every one of the officers.
Oh God, the vast majority of cops do not want to beat people, whether of color or whatever. That the vast majority of cops clock in, do their job, clock out. Most people, they would wish, if you ask any cop or any person in law enforcement, they would 100% rather go through either whether it's 20 years or 25 years, whatever their retirement is, of not having one single use of force than actually having use of the force. Nobody don't really want to do that. You know what I'm saying? As much as, I joke and this and that, get them to act right, nobody really wants to do that. If the suspect would do what they're supposed to do, none of that would happen. You got your small bunch of cops that, that antagonize the situation and they go, they do the extra the most, but that's not the vast majority of police.
okay,
So
and that's good to hear that maybe there is
we all have
some.
a problem with it with the officers, point blank period.
Yeah, and it's not trying to put you guys
I
all
understand
in
it,
a.
but when you say that, it
thing.
does, and
True,
we take
but-
offense to it because we aren't that.
Well, then I'm
we don't want to
glad.
be grouped into the bad. Does that make sense?
Yeah, totally. But that's the thing is, he resisted. You know what I
he
mean?
did.
Well, not saying he didn't because he's seen you, and he also has like paranoid delusions at times. So that's probably even made it worse. That's why I was trying.
We were trying to
and
understand
he's
what
not
was going
telling
on.
you.
Yeah,
so.
he's not telling us anything.
Right. I guess there was something going on in there.
He thinks that person.
He said the person left out to the car and thought he was going to go get a gun or hurt him.
Never said a word.
So he
to
didn't
us
want to
about it.
leave. So, and I tried calling his phone, but evidently you guys probably were.
Yeah, he has it.
Already arrested him or something at the given
Yeah,
time.
he's
so.
fine. He's good. All right.
Thank
We
you.
understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
This suspect, Laquan, was charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest, totaling a bond of $2,500. He is innocent unless...
Oh, man. Honestly, that's the problem with social media. The way that it's painted is that most law enforcement guys just beat black people. Like it's a race thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, nope. That's not how it is in reality. But you got to understand how media works. What's going to get more clicks? What's going to get more views? White police officer beats black man or black boy or whatever, right? Well, that's going to get a lot of clicks. That's going, oh yeah, that's going to tie into the racism and everything from, you know, past traumas back in the days and all of that. That's what's going to get views. But when you got white police officer attacks white man and that happens, you know what I'm saying? That's not hitting the news. That's not gonna get no clicks. Like, what are we doing here? That's not, so, you know, for the most part, man, yeah, this shit is just ridiculous. I'm not saying it don't happen. It definitely happens. But it's not you can't use social media or media that actually paints a certain narrative to keep us as humans more divided than ever. Their goal is to divide, you know what I'm saying? They pick sides. That's why you got certain channels that are more liberal. You got certain channels that are more, you know, conservative. You got channels that, you know, that favor whites. You got channels that favor blacks. You know what I'm saying? BET, okay? Black Entertainment Television, okay? That is targeted for black people, even though it's owned by a white person. But I'm just saying, we you know what I mean? Media is targeted to certain individuals, and you got to keep it neutral. That's why I like this channel. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I know by the analytics what gets more clicks. First of all, if we're just going male and female videos get more clicks. Now, if we're going to go into race with it, black females get more clicks, right? Because black people are painted as, you know, aggressive and this and that or whatever and stuff. When in reality, you have scumbags in every race. That's why I just call it right down the middle, man. You got scumbags in the white community. You got scumbags in the black community. You got scumbags in the Mexican community. You got scumbags in the Dominican community. You got scumbags in the Haitian community. You got scumbags in the Jamaican community. You got scumbags. There's scumbags that are women. There's scumbags that are men. There's scumbags that are others. Isn't it crazy that we gotta say others nowadays? Anyway, I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. You hear me?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.